By this time, WhatsApp has 2 billion active users worldwide and ranked as the most used mobile messenger app in the world. More than 100 billion messages are sent each day on WhatsApp, so it is high time to show you 5 amazing tricks you should know in 2022. So, let's start. So number 1, send pictures without downloading it. Basically, what we normally do is opening any browser, then download the picture and send it. You don't actually need that to send any picture. Just open any browser, press long over the picture, copy. Here you can see the picture, tap here and send. Boom! Number 2 is reaction. So there is a new update on WhatsApp app. Go to the Play Store, update your WhatsApp app, and then press long over the text. You will see the reaction button. And number 3 is send message without showing your number and your profile. To do that, just open any browser. I will suggest Chrome browser. Write this and then country code. Now send the messages. In number 4, I will show you some tricks so that you can send text message on WhatsApp in different font style. And the number 5 is the special one. We open share YouTube video links. So first of all, go to YouTube, choose the clip you want to send as specifically, then copy the video link, paste it, put a question mark and the letter T equal to, convert the time into seconds. For example, if I want to show the video after 2 minutes, I will write 120, 120 seconds. Send it, boom, then tap here. See? Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and if you find this video a little bit helpful for you, please feel free to subscribe my channel to support.